Welcome everyone. In today's video, I wanted to talk about the Pudgy Penguin airdrop, the eligibility criteria, and how you can go about claiming it. So if you're not familiar with Pudgy Penguin, they are an NFT project on Ethereum, but they've decided to airdrop some tokens to Solana users. So if you're an OG Solana user and you've been around for a while, it's likely that you are actually eligible for the airdrop. So you can head over to this website here, claim.pudgypenguins.com. And once you do that, you should be confronted with this site here. So you're actually able to see if you're eligible using both Solana and Ethereum wallets. So get your wallets out and link them to this website and just see if you are eligible. So I'm just going to talk more about the eligibility criteria whilst you just see me actually claim the tokens on in the background. So there are about 7 million wallets who are actually able to claim PENGU tokens. Some of the eligibility criteria that people speculate are those that have used Phantom prior to 2024. And what I mean by used is that they've used the swap function within the Phantom wallet. Another eligibility criteria is for Jupiter stakers. Another is Magic Eden stakers, people who hold Claynosaurs, Mad Lads, and Solana Monkey Business. Now, there are other eligibility criteria out there as well, particularly if you are part of a certain Ethereum NFT communities, if you've got the Pudgy Penguin itself on Ethereum. So just make sure to go onto this website and just link as many wallets as you can, and then just see if any of those are eligible. You're going to get about 1,650 tokens, and at current market prices, that's about $60. So not bad at all for just sticking around. So one last thing to note is that the claims page will remain live for 88 days. And so you have 88 days to claim your Pengu. Otherwise, it will be locked forever. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one.